Good evening, children. Welcome to Akshara IT Foundation. This is Synop, your maths faculty. Let us go to the today's class. Right. So, in our previous class, we have discussed about the minima and maximas and signs of a quadratic expressions, right? So, let me write one more time. So, according to the previous class, we have discussed about that 4 cases. What is that? If a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c and the coefficient of a, coefficient of x square, nothing but a, coefficient of x square, we have discussed about these two signs. If delta value is less than 0, delta value is greater than 0, equals to 0, and delta value is greater than 0. Again here 2 cases, 1 and 2. So if delta value is less than 0, x square coefficient and the entire expression having same sign. That means here a and ax square plus bx plus c having same sign. Okay, na? If it is equals to 0, delta value, delta is nothing but discriminant b square minus 4ac value. If it is equals to 0, here also a and ax square plus bx plus c having same sign. In delta greater than 0, there are 2 conditions. That means we need to identify the roots. Let us the roots are alpha and beta. If alpha is less than beta, the first condition is the x value is lies between alpha and beta, and the second condition is x value is less than alpha or x value is greater than beta. That means the x value is not between alpha and beta, not between the roots. Now in this case, in the first case, whenever the x value if you take between the roots, a and the equation having or the expression having opposite sign, both are having opposite sign. Here in this case having same sign. Okay, na? So except the delta greater than 0 first condition, remaining 3 are following the same, like both are having the same sign. A and the entire expression having the same sign. Clear, children? Yes. So let us check some problems based on this. Yeah, first one, we need to find the minimum value. We need to find the minimum value of the expression 7x square plus 2x minus 8. So minimum or maximum value, we have already discussed. If a value is greater than 0, what is the a? A is nothing but x square coefficient. X square coefficient is 7, nothing but greater than 0, positive value. Open upwards, we will get minimum value. If a value is less than 0, we will get open downwards parabola, we will get maximum. Okay, na? So what is the minimum or maximum formula? 4ac minus b square by 4a. 4ac minus b square by 4a. Let us substitute. So 4 into a value is 7 and c is nothing but constant. Constant is minus 8 minus b value. B is nothing but 2. 2 square value is 4. So 4 by 4 into a value is 7. So numerator, if you observe here, 4 and 4, in the 2 terms 4 is a common term, and 7 into minus 8 minus 56. Here minus symbol, if you take 4 as a common, we will get 1. 4 into 7, numerator 4, denominator 4 cancel. Minus 56 minus 1 is minus 57 by 7. This is our required answer. Okay, na? Check. Just I am substituting in this formula 4ac minus b square by 4a. Okay. If you wanted to find maxima also, we have to use the same formula, but when the maxima will form, x square coefficient must be less than 0. Okay, let us go to the next question. Yeah, second one. Solution for the set of 4 minus x square 4 minus x square is greater than 0. We need to identify the solution for this. Now let me write 4 minus x square as minus x square plus 4. See, I am not changing any sign of the both terms, 4 and x square. Here minus x square I have written first, 4 I have written next, plus 4. Now I am multiplying the entire equation with minus symbol. This will be x square minus 4, then greater than becomes less than 0. Now while you are observing that, I can write 4s2 square. 4s2 square according to the algebraic identity a square minus b square, we can write this a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula for a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. Okay. So same way x square minus 2 square I can write x plus 2 into x minus 2. X plus 2 into x minus 2. It is less than 0. Okay, na? Right. Now, x plus 2 I can write x minus of minus 2. X minus of minus 2, because minus into minus becomes plus, and this is x minus 2. So therefore the roots are minus 2 and plus 2. Minus 2 and plus 2. That means it is in the form of x minus alpha into x minus beta less than 0, where alpha comma beta are roots alpha less than beta. Okay, na? Yeah. Now check here. What is the condition? X square coefficient here? Positive, right? Entire equation, sorry, here just observe here. Entire equation having the negative greater than 0. Entire equation or entire expression having the greater than 0. That means we need to check. Here two roots are there, no? Minus 2 plus 2. That means what are the conditions here? For delta greater than 0, if x is lies between alpha less than, x is lies between alpha and beta, then the condition is both are having opposite sign. Okay, na? And x less than alpha or x greater than beta, sorry, x less than alpha or x greater than beta. For the second condition, both are having same sign. Now see, x square coefficient is negative, that means a value is less than 0 and the entire equation is greater than 0. That means ax square plus bx plus c is greater than 0. Did you identify this? In the given expression, x square value, x square is nothing but minus 1 here. That means x square coefficient is negative, entire expression positive. That means both are different symbols, opposite sign. Opposite sign means they lies exactly between the roots. That means our solution is minus 2 is less than x less than 2. This is our required answer. With the condition a and expression having opposite sign, with that condition we have concluded the solution. Okay, na? Yeah, please check. Yeah, I am going for next question. Third one. What is the question number 3? If minus 7 less than x less than 3, minus 7 less than x less than 3, that means the root, x value is between the roots. Between the roots, what is the condition? A value and the entire expression having opposite sign. Let us see that. Entire expression is x square plus 4x minus 21. What is x square coefficient? X square coefficient not that anything means 1 value greater than 0. That means a. 1 value is greater than 0. So according to this condition, x value is between them. Between them means a already greater than 0. That means positive sign. So therefore the entire expression is negative. So your answer is negative. Okay na? Question number 4. Check. Maxima. We need to find the maxima of the given quadratic expression is 2x minus 7 minus 5x square. Now just I am arranging in an order. First x square term, x term and constant term. So this is nothing but minus 5x square plus 2x minus 7. Okay. So we need to find the maxima. When the maxima will possible, x square coefficient is negative, then we have the parabola open downwards, we will get maxima. So what is the maxima formula? 4ac minus b square by 4a. Substitute. So 4 into a value is nothing but x square coefficient minus 5 and c value is minus 7 minus b square. B is nothing but x coefficient is 2, 2 square value is 4 divided by 4 into a value is minus 5. Okay. Let us check. Again both numerator value are observing both terms having the number 4 as a common term. So let us take 4 as common. Now minus into minus plus 5 7s are 35 and minus 1 by 4 into minus 5. 4 4 cancel, 35 minus 1 is 34. 34 by minus 5 is nothing but minus 34 by 5. This is our answer. For the fourth question. Check. Right. So let us go to the question number 5. So while you are observing question number 5, it is also finding the minimum value. So you know the formula 4ac minus b square by 4a. Just apply the formula and identify the value of minimum. Right. Next question is 6. So the question number 6 is expression having 2x square plus 3x. 2x square plus 3x minus 5 is negative, it seems. The entire expression sign is give negative, nothing but less than 0. Nothing but less than 0. So we need to identify x value is lies between. We need to identify the value of x. Now see here, entire expression value is less than 0. That means ax square plus bx plus c. Entire expression is negative. What is the x square coefficient? Check the x square coefficient in the given expression. It is 2, right? That means a value is greater than 0. So a value greater than expression value is less than. That means opposite sign. Opposite sign only possible. Delta value is greater than 0 and the x is exactly lies between alpha and beta. First case. Delta greater than 0. First case. Okay. Now I am finding the given expression, or I am expressing the given expression as factor form. Okay. So that means constant term is minus 5 and x square coefficient is 2. And you know how to find out the factors for this. Minus 5 into 2 minus 10. I am writing the factors for 10. 1 10s are 10. 2 5s are 10. There is no other factors for this. But we should get here minus now. So any one of the number from this pair, we should keep any one of them for negative symbol. And here also we should keep any one of them negative symbol. For what we have to keep negative symbol? Observe the middle term. Middle term is positive, bigger number plus smaller number negative or minus. Now while you are adding this one, you should get middle term. 10 minus 1, 9. So here 3, not possible. 5 minus 2, 3. Yes, it is exactly possible. So we can write this one as 2x square. 3x I am writing as minus 2x plus 5x. That means 5 minus 2, 3, right? And minus 5. From this first two terms I can take 2x as a common. X remains here, minus 1 remains. From this 5 common. X minus 1. Again first term and second term, x minus 1 is a common factor. Let us take x minus 1 common factor. What is that remaining? 2x plus 5. First term 2x is remaining, second term 5 is remaining. So I can write this x minus 1, and this one I can express like 2x minus of minus 5. So while you're writing this, x is minus of minus 5 by 2. This is x minus 1. So it is lies between minus 5 by 2 and 1. Alpha value minus 5 by 2, beta value is 1, because it is in the form of x minus alpha into x minus beta. So the solution for this is the x is lies between minus 5 by 2 and 1. Please note it. Shall we go to the next question, children? Yeah. So let us go to the next. Question number 7. Yeah, it is given that x square minus 5x plus 6. The expression is x square minus 5x plus 6 is positive. Positive means greater than 0. And we need to find that x is belongs to. X is belongs to. So here a value is positive. Nothing but a value means x square coefficient. A value positive, entire equation is positive. That means a and ax square plus bx plus c both are positive, means we have three conditions. First condition, delta less than 0, delta equals to 0, delta greater than 0, second condition. Okay, na? Second case. But delta less than 0, we don't have any real roots. So it must be delta equals to 0 or delta greater than 0. Let us check delta greater than 0. Delta value is nothing but b square minus 4ac. Delta value is b square minus 4ac. Substitute in the value. B value minus 5 whole square is 25. 5 is a 25. 4ac. 4 value as it is 4. A value 1, C value 6. 6 ones are 6. So 25 minus 24, that is nothing but 1. 1 is greater than 0. So delta value is greater than 0. So for delta value greater than 0, two cases. One is lies between but opposite sign. They are having both are same sign, means x value is less than alpha or x value is greater than beta. That means while you are observing here, if you take alpha and beta, x value is can be less than alpha. That means up to here negative infinity. Here this one greater than beta, infinity. But x value will not be between alpha and beta. It can be less than alpha unto infinity, greater than beta up to infinity, but it won't be lies between the roots. Now, but we have to find alpha and beta now. Before that, let us factorize. So 6 factors, 2 3s are 6, both we can take negative. X square minus 2x minus 3x. Minus 2x minus 3x, 5x, 2 3 6. Yes, it is exactly sufficient. Now substitute x common. X minus 2 here, minus 3 common, x minus 2, simply x minus 2 into x minus 3 greater than 0. That means it is in the form of x minus alpha, x minus beta. Alpha value is 2, alpha value is 2 and beta value is 3. That means x value is less than 2, greater than 3. That means x value can be any real number, but it should not be 2 and 3. Except 2 and 3, and between it can be any real number. That means x is belongs to r minus 2 comma 3. This is our answer. That means x value can be any real number except 2 and 3 between. 2 and 3 and between. Yes, this is the solution. Please note it. Yeah, let us go to the next problem, children. Problem number 8. See here, x square minus 2x plus 7 is negative. X square minus 2x plus 7 is negative. Then, So this value is negative, it seems. Let us find the delta value first. What is the delta value? B square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. So B square value is 4. 4 into A value is 1, C value is 7. This is less than 0. We can easily find out it is less than 0. So less than 0 means, can we identify the factors for this? If it is greater than 0, there is a chance of real roots. They are taken as alpha and beta. But it is less than 0, we won't get any real roots. That means it is no real roots. Okay. Let us go to the 9th question. Question number 9. The graph of y is equals to x square minus 8x plus 15. X square minus 8x plus 15. So while we are discussing about the graph, let us discuss one more time. There are 6 types of graphs. If a value is greater than 0, that means x square value is greater than 0, open upwards. Again in open upwards, we have 3 different type of parabola shapes will come. So that means in first case, we can identify 2 intersecting points on x-axis. In second place, we have only 1 intersecting point. That means only 1 root. Here 2 different roots. But in third case, that is parabola never touches the x-axis. That means there is no real roots. That means here delta greater than 0, delta equal to 0, delta less than 0. 3 conditions. In same way, if a less than 0 also will get parabola open downwards. First case, second case, third case. Delta greater than 0, you can identify 2 roots here, open downwards. Here 1 root, there are no roots. 3 conditions. Now check here. We know a value greater than 0. See, x square coefficient value here 1, x square before not there any number. So it is a greater than 0. That means first 3 graphs, any one of the graph will come. But to find exactly graph, we need to check discriminant value, delta value. What is the delta value? B square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac value. B value is minus 8 square. Minus 8 into minus 8 is plus 64. Minus 4ac, 4 into 1, 4, 4 15 are 60. So 4 is greater than 0. So we will get 2 roots, 2 real roots, first case. Okay, na? So we will have the option for x-axis at 2 distinct points. The parabola touches the x-axis at 2 distinct points. That is the solution. Please note it. Let us go to the next question, children. Yeah. So I think practice sheet is completed. Now we are in exercise 1, first problem. Exercise 1, first problem. See, the quadratic expression 2x square plus x minus 1 less than or equals to 0. That equation less than 0 or equals to 0. Okay. Then x value is belongs to. So we need to identify the x value. Now check what is the x square coefficient here. X square coefficient is 2. That means a value is 2, nothing but greater than 0. And the entire expression is less than 0. Opposite. Opposite sign is only possible for the third case, first one. That means delta greater than 0, first case. the roots are lies between, that means x values lies between alpha and beta. Now here also let us identify, here 2 into minus 1 minus 2, that means 2 factors 1 2s are 2, here plus here minus, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. So we can write this 2x square as plus 2x square plus 2x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Okay na? So from first two terms we can take 2x as a common, here x plus 1 remains, here minus 1 common, x plus 1 remains. So if x plus 1 as a common factor, we can write this one as 2x minus 1. That means x minus of minus 1 and second one is x minus of 1 by 2. So minus 1 and 1 by 2. Which is smaller, 1 by 2 or minus 1? Obviously minus 1. Therefore the solution is minus 1 less than x less than 1 by 2. Because if you are having that the entire expression and the x square coefficient having opposite sign, the x value is exactly lies between alpha and beta. But here given less than or equal to symbol also, so we have to keep or equal to also here also. This is the solution. Please check. So let us go to the second problem, children. Yeah, second one, the quadratic expression general form is given ax square plus bx plus c is positive. The quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c value is greater than 0 means entire equation is positive sign and a value is also positive. A value is also positive. That means both are having same sign. It is possible delta less than 0, delta equal to 0, delta greater than 0 second case. Okay, na? That means x is not lies between both the roots. Okay, now what is the question? We'll see. Which with the roots of alpha beta, roots are given alpha beta, that is definitely delta value is greater than 0 and both are having the same sign. Both are having the same sign means, yeah, both are having the same sign means x value is less than 0, less than alpha, and x value is greater than beta. This is the solution because both are having the same sign, right? Check. Now third, question number 3. The quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c is negative, nothing but less than 0. Negative and a value is also negative. It is also given a value is also negative. Both are negatives and where roots also given. See, both are negative, same condition. What is the condition like previous problem? X is less than alpha, x is greater than beta. This one. Please note it. So according to the problem in your textbook, there is a printing mistake. It should be given less than 0. Then only you will have the sufficient answer here. Like if it is less than 0 only possible. The solution, because the options are not given actually while I am observing here. That question should give opposite signs. Opposite signs means it is lies between alpha and beta. Okay, na? Change the question. Take a less than 0. Note this. Let us go to the next question. Fourth question. Ax square plus bx plus c is given the quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c and also is given alpha is less than x less than beta. Alpha less than x less than beta. While you are observing that answers, alpha less than x less than beta, second one x less than alpha, x less than beta, and third one for all x belongs to delta less than 0, fourth one delta greater than 0 for all x belongs to R. Okay, na? It is possible. When it is possible, the entire equation, this condition is given for delta greater than 0, right? This condition is given for delta greater than 0. And ax square plus bx plus c is greater than 0. That means the condition, that means expression and the a value excessive coefficient both must be opposite sign. Now it is between x and alpha, so we have to consider the option 4 for all x belongs to R. For all x belongs to R, delta greater than 0. Actually question is, one second. Please don't write this answer, because if question is only given here like this. This is given that greater than 0. It should be given greater than 0 and a value is greater than 0, then only, less than 0, then only it is possible. It is already given the condition, so you have to consider that this is the solution for that. Let us go to the next question. Question number 5. Check here, minus 4 less than x less than 8. That means x value is between roots alpha and beta. Then the value of x square minus 4x minus 32. X square minus 4x minus 32. Yes, just apply the condition. The x value is between the roots. Between the roots means we will have that opposite sign. What are the opposite sign? X square coefficient and the entire expression. A value greater than 0, because here x square coefficient is 1. So therefore the entire equation is negative. So answer is negative. Negative. Check. We'll go to the next question. Problem number 6. Minimum value. Problem number 7 is maximum value. Problem number 6 you try. Problem number 7, it is given in that alphabet. So I am going to explain, that is c plus 2bx minus x square. We need to find the maximum. So let us write the order minus x square plus 2bx plus c. Actually, what is the formula for maximum? Here maximum only will come because x square coefficient is negative. Open downwards, maximum will come. Right. So 4ac minus b square by 4a. Substitute the value here. A value is minus 1. C value is c itself. Minus b square. B is nothing but 2b. 2b whole square means 4b square. Divided by 4 into a value is minus 1. Here minus 4c, value, simplify this, minus 4c minus 4b square minus 4. I am just taking minus 4 as a common term. Now what is remaining here? C plus b square divided by minus 4. Minus 4 cancel, you will have the answer b square plus c. B square plus c. Check. Okay children, so that's it for today. So let us meet next class. Thank you and all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.